Hey everyone, reseller here on Steemit. Another video about Steemit.com. Once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler, reseller on Steemit. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button below. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I almost made $300 USD on one post on Steemit through Dtube. And for those that don't know what Dtube is, it's decentralized video service just like YouTube, but you get paid in cryptocurrency for posting if people upvote your videos. And it's a great service, and we're going to get into that in just a second and how I was able to almost bank $300 on one video. As someone like myself who only has about 3,000 subscribers on YouTube, making almost $300 on one video is incredible for myself. You know, I'm lucky to do that, even come close to that with one video on the limited subscribers. But that's what's great about Steemit.com is there's such an amazing community there, and through powering up over the last 6 months, my account has gained lots of followers and Steam power, and my vesting voting has gone up dramatically. So I want to thank Steemit.com for that. But anyways, let's get into this. Let me show you guys what exactly I did, how I figured out the calculations that go behind the things. I'm going to explain a little bit of things because I know there's a lot of new Steemit users out there, and we're all called Steemians. I guess that's the term that we're used. You're like, oh, you're a Steemian, means we're a member of Steemit. It's kind of a funny name, but you know, just I'll go with it. So my fellow Steemians, let's get into it. I still think that name's pretty funny. So anyways, this is my homepage. As we could see, 1,236 followers. Thank you guys for all the love and support. If you're not following me on Steemit, there's going to be a link below. Anyways, my latest post about considering voting on the creator of Steem Follower, go check that out. Right now it's at $9.69, and that's not accurate. It's higher than that. This $9.69 is a Steem token unit price. It's not USD. So what that means is the price of Steem is more than $1. So you're going to actually do multiplication. So it's actually way higher than that. And we'll explain that in just a second. But anyways, I want to show you guys the post that made me almost $300. Now the price has gone down somewhat over the last few days since I was paid out. How long ago was I paid out? It doesn't say. 11 days ago. So about 4 days ago, I got paid out and the price has gone down. This $89.73 was about $111, $110 some change. Now that price gets cut by 25% because everyone who upvotes and comments on any of my videos gets a cut of that. So that's great. It's called Curation Rewards. And so you can literally create a Steemit account and just comment and upvote other people's accounts, and you can literally get paid just for being a curator. You know, leave meaningful comments. Obviously, you don't want to, oh, great post. Like, no one's going to upvote you if you just say great post. Like, go and read someone's blog, like literally read the whole thing and leave like a paragraph or two, you know, a meaningful post, even like a couple sentences, you know, and people can really do really well just by curating posts. So anyways, I did this video about Steem Follower tutorial. We can click into that. And it was pretty simple, you know, it had a few words. Also my sign up affiliate link for Steem Follower. And by the way, I'm going to leave that below. If you guys aren't using Steem Follower, it is an amazing tool for upvoting, and it's like a small ecosystem of people that are on Steem Follower. And it just helps. Like, you get points and you can upvote people, because if you're going to be upvoting stuff anyways, you might as well help, you know, the core people in Steem Follower that are doing. I think it's really cool, and you get little kickbacks also for this link, and it's really cool. And the service is great because it's like, let me just go into this real quick, and then we're just going to show this real quick. This is Steem Follower, and I did a video on how to use Steem Follower. I'm going to leave a link below to that, and you can check that out. But anyways, this is good for new. So if you're new, you get, and your Steem power is definitely going to be under 50, you get about 140% back when you do upvotes through here. So it's a great reward system for someone like me who's under 5,000 Steem power. It's not going to be that much, but I like to help out the other members that are here, and it's pretty cool. But anyways, I digress on that. We're going to go back to my post. So I actually did a tutorial on how Steem Follower works. The owner and the creator of Steem Follower like this. He gave me a pretty substantial upvote for doing this. And this is Dtube, by the way. Dtube is just like YouTube. It's decentralized video, and it's basically ran on the Steem blockchain. So you can upload videos using your private posting key. Do not use your password on any of these third-party sites. I'm just telling you right now. That's why we have posting keys. And so it's a third party, and basically what it does is you upload your stuff to Dtube. And I made tutorials about that. You have to go back to that. And then it kicks it to Steemit. So anyways, this is Dtube. As you can see, there's my tutorial. A lot of people really enjoyed this. There was nothing that I found before that came close to this video, and so much so the owner of Steem Follower actually put it on his help page. So that was very awesome of him. Thank you very much. And so I really appreciate that. So anyways, you're like, okay, great. How did you make almost $300? So this post was about $110 when it came down from the 7-day cooling period. Because what happens is if you post, it takes 7 days to get paid. And what happens is on the 7th day, you get a cash out. If you choose a 50-50 reward, you get 50% in Steem power and 50% in Steem back dollars. The Steem power is divided by the current price of Steem. Therefore, you get less Steem power than you do Steem back dollars. That's just how the algorithm works. They might change that algorithm a little bit in Hard Fork 20, but I digress again. Anyways, I made a calculator, guys. Could you believe it? I made a Steem power rewards calculator. This is cool. I'm gonna leave a link below to this. That video, and actually that post, let me go back to see how many days I have left on that. I have 3 days left. So go, if you're new to Steemit, go check out that calculator. Please leave an upvote if you like it. It's free to use. It'll take you to a Google, I think you have to have a Google account. It'll take you to Google Docs, and you can download it to Excel, Microsoft Excel. And you could use other third-party kind of spreadsheet applications for it too. The only thing is there's an API involved, and Excel is the only one that the API, if you refresh it, the prices will change. So you can keep it up to current with the current prices, and that's how I officially do that. So anyways, the reward is $110. I got 6.6 Steem power, which is divided by the price. And this is all calculated in the calculator. Half of 110 was 41.80. And I think I actually took the 25%. Let me see if I did. Yeah, it's actually calculated. It's another calculation, but I actually took out the curating rewards, so that's why the price is pretty close to accurate. Now the thing is, there's so much math involved with the algorithm to figure out rewards. It's not like everything's set in stone, because, not to bore you guys and get into like math and everything, there's a curve, a rewards curve. Therefore, numbers are never going to be perfect. So this is going to be close to what you're going to get. This is not going to be 100% accurate. So anyways, Dtube takes a 25% cut, which I didn't know. I didn't know that. I think that's a little high, but I guess for the service, if like you make, there's people that make a couple $1,000s for a post, and I swear they make like a couple grand just for one video. 25% for a video that maybe took you 3 or 4 minutes to make is not bad of a cut to do, but I think 25% is a little high. I don't know what their back end is. There's tons of Dtube videos, so I'm sure like it's their server costs and their manpower cost is not even close to that. But anyways, I digress. I really appreciate what Dtube is doing for the space. So 25% I can deal with that. So I even did the Dtube cut. So like this top reward thing right here, as you can see, this would be if you didn't use Dtube. So if I just posted my YouTube video and it got 110 Steem token units, it'd be worth almost $400. But since I use Dtube as their mechanism, and Dtube, and you're saying, well, why don't I just use YouTube? Dtube has its own separate thing from Steemit.com. So there's viewers that are specifically going to Dtube just to look for the videos. So anyways, for the current, this is the price. This price has changed. The price has gone down the last couple days. So this price has changed. But anyways, at the time of my reward kickout, it was almost $290 US. So that's pretty cool. If I wanted to cash out, I would have to take my Steem dollars and my Steem, put it to a third-party account or third-party exchange like Bitfinex, exchange my Steem dollars, my Steem into like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, then send that to Coinbase and then cash it out to my bank account. So there's like 3 steps that I had to do to cash this out. One day I know that we're just going to be able to cash this out so simply through like just even through the Steemit platform even maybe. I'm surprised no one's made actually a Coinbase inside of Steem yet. And maybe they do have that and I don't know. But anyways, that's how I cash out if you want to cash out. So that's what's so great about, Steemit, is the potential to create money. Like, you're not going to get paid for blogging and everything on Reddit or Facebook. They're literally taking your information and selling it to other people. It's crazy. You're not. So think about all the time you're spending on Facebook every day or Reddit or somewhere, and you're not even getting paid. You're not. So you're expending. Here's the thing: is the future is going to be like you're expending your time and energy for nothing. But the future is like we're going to be spending our time and money to actually get something out of it. I mean, we exchange time for money if we have a full-time job. You exchange time for money if you're a reseller. You're going to go out, you're going to go look, you're going to go source for stuff. So might as well, if you're doing social media, right, you might as well get paid for it. But anyways, so let's do a calculation on this new video. So it's $9.69. We'll go here. Now this price is different because the price was higher. And I can't change the price right here. You can change this price if you download it to your own thing. But right now, the API is tied to this price, so I can't change it. But anyways, if it was the old price, it'd be worth $33.98 so far. So that's what I'm saying. A good rule of thumb and actually really quick math to do is just times 3, whatever the price is on your post. And it's usually around what you're going to get paid out. So like I said, $9.69 is almost $10. 10 times 3 is 30. $33.98. It's pretty close. So anyways, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. I am a reseller. Check out all my links below. I'm going to leave a link to the calculator below, which is this. And I'm also going to leave, what else am I going to leave? Which is this calculator. I'm going to leave a link to my Steemit account at reseller. I'm going to leave a link to that. And I'm going to leave a link to Steem Follower, my affiliate account. Sign up for Steem Follower today. Watch my video, see how it works. If you're new, it's a no-brainer. Like, honestly, you get 140% back. So if you're going to be voting anyways, you might as well use Steem Follower because you're going to get more back. And you get to grow your account faster, all that good stuff. I want to thank everyone at Steemit, all my followers, everyone here on YouTube, everyone here on Dtube. I really appreciate your guys' support. And have a great weekend. Like I said, if you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you have a Steemit account, please leave a comment below. Put your @ and your username, but put a space in between it so I can just copy and paste that right in. And I'll look at your account. I'll give you guys some upvotes on your comments or your replies or anything like that. And I'll see you guys soon.